Hello students, in this video we will discuss about most important theorem which is name is Thales theorem. Thales theorem or another name is basic proportionality theorem, or in short we can write BPT also. These are all same names. Now what is the state of this concept? State of this concept is very simple and without name we already studied in the previous classes. According to the state of this concept, in any triangle, if a line drawn parallel to any one side of that triangle, then that line will be divided remaining two sides in the same ratio or proportion. That means in any triangle, if a line drawn parallel to any side of a triangle, side of that triangle, then that line divides to the remaining two sides of that triangle in the same ratio or proportion. Now we draw a triangle ABC and a line DE which is parallel to BC. That means given in this concept, in triangle ABC, DE parallel BC. Then to prove AD upon BD equal to AE upon CE. That means this line will be divided to the remaining two sides. That means remaining side are AB and AC in the same ratio or proportion. So you should prove it AD upon BD equal to AE upon CE. Now construction will be draw DF and EG perpendicular to draw DF perpendicular AE and EG perpendicular AD. DF, that means this is DF perpendicular AE and EG perpendicular AD, and join B and CD. Join B and CD. Now we try to prove it. First select two triangles I like ADE and BDE. since area ADE upon area BDE equal to 1 by 2 base. Area for ADE, base will be AD, into height will be EG, upon area of BDE equal to 1 by 2 into base will be BD into height will be EG. EG will be height of triangle BDE also, but this is the outside of the triangle BDE. Since one angle is the obtuse angle of this triangle, then in this situation always perpendicular lines comes outside the triangle. EG and EG will be cancelled, half and half will be cancelled, then this will be AD upon BD. This is the equation first. Now we select two triangles on the same time as triangle AED and CED. Since area AED upon area CED equal to 1 by 2, base is AE and height is DF, whole upon area of CED equal to 1 by 2 into base equal to CE and height will be DF. DF and DF will be cancelled, half and half will be cancelled. Remain AE upon में CE. This is the equation second. As you see here, what you want to prove, AD upon BD equal to CE upon AE. This is the right side of the equation 1 and equation 2. If you doing the right side are equal of both equations, then this theorem I have proved. For this, we should be first prove the left side of equation 1 and 2 are the same. Now you can see here easily in the both upper triangle are the same. Area ADE and area AED both are same triangle. So area of both triangle will be same, and area BDE and area CED, you can see here BDE and CED both triangle has a common base D and lie between same parallel line DE and BC, because DE parallel BC is the given. Now we have studied in the class 9th, if two triangles have common base and between same parallel line, then area of both triangle will be equal. So area of BDE equal to area of CED. So we can write here, since area BDE equal to area CED, mention the region, have common base, which common base? DE, and lie between same parallel lines. This is the equation 3. Now you can see from equation 1, 2 and 3. Equation 3 shows the left side of equation 1 and 2 are the same. So we can write here arches will be same, since from 1, 2 and 3 are same. 1, 2 and 3 LHS of equation 1 and 2 are same. Therefore RHS. Therefore, we can write RHS of equation 1 and 2 will be also same. That means AD upon BD equal to AE upon CE. This is the Thales theorem or result of the Thales theorem. AD upon BD equal to AE upon CE. There are many another form of the Thales theorem are given. We will discuss about this in the next video.